Good morning everyone. Welcome back. In this class, today I am going to discuss about the numerical problem which is based on the combination of the resistance. Under the previous session we have completed the concept of the combination of the resistance like series and parallel. So now let us start. First of all, we will discuss about the first question of in this video. So here is the a circuit diagram is given here, and in this circuit diagram there are the 5 resistors are used in this circuit, and 12 volt battery are connected in here. So here is the R1, R2, R3, R4 and R5. These resistors are used in this circuit diagram, and according to this question, the value of resistance is given here. R1 equal to 10 ohmega, R2 equal to 40 ohmega, R3 equal to 30 ohmega, and R4 equal to 20 ohmega, R5 equal to 60 ohmega, and potential difference is here 20 volt. So in this question, calculate the total resistance in the circuit. And second question is here, total current flowing in this circuit. So here is the total current, total resistance in this circuit. So first of all, we calculate here the R1, R2, R3, R4 and R5. These resistors are used in this circuit diagram, and R1 and R2 are connected in the parallel combination because they are connected in the two common point, and the electric current flows across R1 and R2 will be different. We know that here if the two are more than two resistors connected in parallel combination, then electric current flows across to the individual resistor is different, and the potential difference on each resistor will be same. So it is clear that R1 and R2 these resistors are connected in this circuit diagram, that is the parallel combination, because R1 R2 they connected to common point, and electric current flow across each resistor will be different here. So now calculate first of all equivalent or effective resistance of the R1 and R2. Then equivalent resistance 1 by, suppose that 1 by R equal to equivalent resistance of R1 and R2. R1 and R2 are connected in parallel combination, so we know that the if the two are more than two resistors in parallel combination, then equivalent resistance in the circuit reciprocal of the sum of the reciprocal of the given resistor. So R1 R2 are the combined in the parallel combination, so reciprocal of the sum of the reciprocal of R1 and R2, and R1, the value of R1 and R2 is given here. The value of R1 equal to 10 and R2 equal to 40. So apply here the parallel combination, rule of the parallel combination. So 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2, then equivalent resistance. Put the value of R1 is here 10 ohmega, then 1 by 10 plus R2 equal to 40 ohmega, then 1 by 40, then equivalent resistance. LCM of 10 and 14, that is the 14, and 4 plus 1, we can write here 5 by 40, that is 1 by 8. So equivalent resistance is here 8 ohmega. Now the next resistor are used in this circuit, that is the R3, R4 and R5. So R3, R4 and R5 they are connected in the parallel combination. So here is the effective resistance or equivalent resistance of R3, R4 and R5. So now the equivalent resistance of 1 by R equal to 1 by R3 plus 1 by R4 plus 1 by R5. So R3, R4 and R5 are connected in the parallel combination. So in this circuit, R3, R4 and R5, these resistors are connected in the parallel combination, and we know that R3, R4 and R5 are connected in parallel combination. So equivalent resistance R3, R4 and R5 is sum of the reciprocal of R3, R4 and R5. So here in the, suppose that equivalent resistance of R3, R4 and R5 each R, then 1 by R equal to 1 by R3 plus 1 by R4 plus 1 by R5. So put the value of R3 equal to 30 omega, R4 equal to 20 omega and R5 equal to 60 omega. So we can write here 1 by R equal to 1 by 30 plus 1 by 40 plus 1 by 30 plus 1 by 20 and the value of R5 equal to 60, 1 by 60. So here the 1 by 30 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 60. Then LCM of 30, 20 and 60, that is the 1 by R equal to 60. Then 2 plus 3 plus 1, that is 6 by 60, 1 by 10. Then R equal to 10 omega. So it is clear that equivalent resistance of R1 and R2 is here 8 omega, and R3, R4 and R5, the equivalent resistance of R3, R4 and R5 is that is 10 omega. So in this circuit diagram, total effective resistance in this circuit, so it is clear that equivalent resistance of R1 and R2, that is 8 omega, and equivalent resistance of R3, R4 and R5 is 10 omega. Then 8 omega and 10 omega are connected in the series combination. So we know that in the series combination, the effective resistance of the series combination, then sum of the individual resistors are used in the circuit diagram. So it is clear that equivalent resistance of R1, R2 is equal to 10, 8, and R3, R5, R4 and R5 are 10 omega. Then total resistance, suppose that R dash equal to, then R equivalent plus R. So it is clear that total resistors are used in this circuit diagram, that is the 8 omega and 10 omega, they are connected in the series combination, because R1, R2 they are connected in the parallel combination. So equivalent resistance of R1, R2 is 8 omega, and equivalent resistance of R3, R4 and R5 are 10 omega. Then 8 omega and 10 omega, they are connected in series combination. So apply the rule of the series combination, and we know that if the resistors are used in the circuit in the series combination, so total resistance is equal to the sum of the used in the individual resistor. So here it is clear, equivalent resistance is given here 8 omega plus, and total resistance of R3, R4 and R5 is 10 omega, then 8 plus 10 omega, that is 18 omega. So it is clear that the first question is here, the total resistance in this circuit. So total resistance in this circuit, that is the 18 omega. Now next question, according to this circuit diagram, the total current flowing in the circuit. So here is the total current flowing in this circuit. So it is clear that here is that 12 volt battery are connected in the circuit diagram, and current flowing from positive terminal to negative terminal. Suppose that total current flow across through the circuit diagram, that is the I, and we know that electric current is equal to the potential difference by resistance. We know that here I equal to V by R. So it is clear that potential difference, there are the 12 volt battery are connected in the circuit diagram, and R means total resistor are used in this circuit diagram, and we have already find total resistance in the circuit diagram, that is the 18 omega. So it is clear potential difference equal to 12 volt and total resistance equal to 18 omega. So put the value of V equal to 12, and total resistor are used in the circuit diagram, that is 18 omega. Then 12 by 18 equal to 3, 4, 6, that is 0.6 0.67 ampere. So electric current flows in this circuit diagram, that is 0.67 ampere. So in this circuit diagram, the first question according to this circuit diagram, total resistance in this circuit, and next question is the total current flowing in this circuit. So in this circuit diagram, here is the value of R1, R2 and R3, R4 and R5 are given here. R1 equal to 10, R2 equal to 40 omega, R3 equal to 30 omega, R4 equal to 20 and R5 equal to 60 omega. And here is the 12 volt battery are connected in this circuit diagram. So here is the 12 volt battery are connected in this circuit diagram here. So first of all, we find the equivalent resistance in the circuit diagram. So in the circuit diagram, R1, we can see that here R1 and R2 they are connected in the parallel combination, because R1 R2 they are connected in the two common point, and here is the electric current, total current divided among the resistor R1 and R2. So suppose that total current I and current I1 flows across to the R1 and I2 flows across to the R2. So it is clear that R1, R2 they are connected in the parallel combination. So we know that according to the parallel combination, 2 or more than 2 resistors are used in the circuit if they are connected to two common point, and the electric current on each resistor flowing will be different, then and potential difference will be same, then the resistor are used in the parallel combination. So R1 and R2, the equivalent resistance of R1 and R2, applied here the rule of the parallel combination, then equivalent resistance is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Then put the value of R1 equal to 10 omega and R2 equal to 40 omega. Then 1 by 10 plus 1 by 40, and LCM of 10 and 40, that is 40, and 4 plus 1, that is 5 by 40, can add here 1 by 8. So equivalent resistance is here 8 omega. So equivalent resistance of R1 and R2 is that is 8 omega. Now next resistor are used in the circuit diagram, that is the R3, R4 and R5. They are also connected in the parallel combination, because here R3, R4 and R5 they are connected to common point here, and the electric current flowing across R3, R4 and R5 will be differently because they are connected in the parallel combination. So R3, R4 and R5 they are connected in parallel combination. So find out the here R3, R4 and R5 equivalent resistance of R3, R4 and R5. So we can write here equivalent resistance. Suppose that R3, R4 and R5 is R. Then apply here the rule of the parallel combination. 1 by R equal to 1 by R3 plus 1 by R4 plus 1 by R5. Then 1 by R equal to put the value of R3 equal to here, that is 30 omega, and R4 equal to 20 omega, and R5 equal to 60 omega. Then LCM of 30, 20 and 60 here, that is 60, then 2 plus 3 plus 1, that is the 6 by 60, then 1 by 10. So it is clear that equivalent resistance means R equal to 10 omega. Then equivalent resistance of R3, R4 and R5 is here, that is 10 omega. Okay, and equivalent resistance in this circuit or total resistor or total resistance in this circuit diagram. So we know that equivalent resistance of R1, R2 is here 8 omega, and equivalent resistance R3, R4 and R5 that is 10 omega. So here is that 8 omega and 10 omega, they are connected in the series combination. So apply here the rule of the series combination. So we know that the series combination is two or more than two resistors are used series combination, then electric current flows across through the each resistor will be same, and potential difference on each resistor will be different. So 8 omega and 10 omega they are connected series combination. So apply the rule of the series combination. We know that here equivalent resistance of the series combination is same as the sum of the given individual resistor in the circuit diagram. So 8 omega and 10 omega they are connected series. Then equivalent resistance in the circuit diagram, that is 8 plus 10 that and equal to 8 omega. So it is clear that 18 omega are used in this circuit diagram. So total resistance in this circuit diagram that is 18 omega. Now the next question here, total current flowing in the circuit. So in this circuit, total current, I have already find out here the total resistance in the circuit, that is 18 omega, and we know that electric current is equal to the potential difference by resistance. So potential difference is given here 12 volt, then put the value of V equal to 12. And resistance is here, total resistance is here. We have already find out that is the 18 omega, then 12 by 18 equal to 4 by 6, then 0.67 ampere. So total resistance is here R equal to 18 omega, and electric current is here 0.67 ampere.